Me not tell no lie. Me long for go one party right now. Go rave and go on with big things. Too long with the on quarantine right now. It come like me even forget off a party. John was star. Even though somehow we celebrate the quarantine rules them, you know? And a party and big things like Dexta. Daps over here, so. Yes, people, that was dancehall artist Dexta Daps alongside IKEA over by New Jersey. I rave and I go on with a bag of things. Them claim say them keep on a secret party. It no really look secret to me because even popular New York media, the New York Post, know about the party. Them even write an article about it. It headline, reggae singer Dexta Daps secret concert draws packed crowd of massless fans. Reggae singer Dexta Daps drew a packed crowd for a blowout Brooklyn concert in defiance of COVID-19 recommendations, according to shocking videos posted to social media. Footage shared to Instagram on Saturday night shows Jamaican entertainer on stage hyping up what appeared to be hundreds of fans packed tightly at an undisclosed outdoor venue. So people, from the looks of it, Dexta Daps never really get in a problem, you know, cause I don't see anything like he was locked up or anything like that. But social media users have mixed feelings about Dexta Daps throwing that party. Even though in Jamaica, people, it was held in New Jersey. But about people on social media say Dexta Daps fi go on better and the organizers them fi go on better. You see me? As in, don't make the place a pack and try encourage people and fi wear the mask. Matter of fact, a lot of people are saying no party no fi go on and at all. That's how the people must say. And you know say another set of people are say, yo, the youth them fi eat and Dexta Daps are artist as well and him fi making money. But people, more know what you think about throwing party in COVID time. Just leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Alright? One more thing before I go. The article said that the party was held in Brooklyn, but I continue to say the party keep on New Jersey. Well, people, are two party Dexta Daps actually show. One on the Saturday night and one on the Sunday night. So one was in Brooklyn and the other was in New Jersey. Just a point of information, alright? No people, that is New York based dancehall artist Celebrityy. Now Celebrityy uploaded that video on her Instagram with the caption 1000 comments for the official video. Hashtag so pretty. Hashtag so pretty challenge at Royal G. Now people, that video was uploaded about 4 days ago on Celebrityy Instagram page and she get the 1000 comment. So here's the music video.
Baby, you're so pretty. What's your nationality? Ear black, eyes brown, good quality. You're so pretty.
No people, what kinda get me confused is that the scene where me play first, as in the snippet where she uploaded on her Instagram with the girl and girl kinda something there, is that scene is not in the music video. Now, why would Celebrityy would I want to upload that on her Instagram and it's not even a part of a music video? Unless she a try tell the public say she a come out of the closet. Well, that the people them take of it, but more uno tell me what uno think in the comment section. Me just gonna leave it right there, so.
One them me no call me no one call them me no the night right, but a man in my go. You shoulda listen what the lad said to you. You a cloud up into the mark you forgot.
No people. In our previous report that I did, we spoke about female dancehall artists Chiki, Granz and Jada Kingdom. Oh, it look like said them out forgot it. Remember say Jada Kingdom did upload a freestyle video on her Instagram that she later deleted. But for those of who don't get the freestyle video, them I go play it right now for you.
Hi, I'm Tantan, firstborn. When a bitch done with me heels and person. Bad right through. Me not for fuck gunman. I want east side queen, I'm a done talk. If you don't want war, better you go on. Came above my back like sports John. And like a salt if you stop tell lie about what. Cause bitch, you know what your discharge. That's why your pussy smelly. Make a wrong move and a lot of bullet parking on your belly. Ay, ay, them ain't know a bull. Bay got the most AK. State a time and a date. Me think you're bad, but why you afraid? Bitch, every dollar we make I would be for supper. So a little bit of money, so shut the fuck up. And you know, say I do that. Them ask, twinkle like you that. I laugh and I really bounce with the ruga. With the
Now, after Jada Kingdom uploaded that freestyle on her Instagram, she later deleted that freestyle. Plus, I don't want to say she kinda apologized to Chiki Granz, but it would appear that she apologized to Chiki Granz because she uploaded her Chiki Granz photograph on her Instagram story and say, yo, big up Chiki Granz, and she had the inside queen and X, Y, and Z, and then Chiki Granz did do the same on her Instagram story. Now, people, I got these messages. These leaked messages. I don't know if them message here did send after or before the fuck, you know. But me just go make una hear them and then we talk about a little bit about it.
I can't war with you. I can't do it because at east you come from. I just know if you come from east, you know that is not a thing we do. Yeah, that a fuck it. Yeah, we represent the same place. That's fucking that week. And about that name.
So people, that's one of the voice note them when me get, and me get a few screenshot of some conversation between what is said to be Chiki Granz and Jada Kingdom herself. Now, something transpire in this conversation when me not 100% sure about, but apparently Chiki Granz, or what appeared to be Chiki Granz, sent Jada Kingdom a screenshot of the freestyle video that was posted to popular Instagram page Pink Wall. And because the caption right, Jada, she answered Chiki Granz, I don't know, you see me, because Jada Kingdom would have say one thing and then the freestyle would have make it sound like a different thing, right? So Jada Kingdom responds and say, dead with laugh, fake news be. My people them just send me that and me did confuse, ha ha ha. But my manager linked them and them change the caption. Chiki Granz go further on by saying, so why you never make them delete the post? And furthermore, why all of a sudden you name yourself Eastside Queen? And me sure you know say me I say Queen of the East from 2018 in my caption and my bio. Jada Kingdom then reply and say, from 2015 my mother called me subby. From me did win a competition. Me never start run with it until now cause the title fit me and me never hear nobody a run with it. So me say why not? Plus as I said, I do not know you. So people, wanna tell me what you think about them two message there now. You see me? And then what the hottest thing now. You know, say Jada Kingdom me look like a big trouble you make, you know. Right in a Chiki Granz town, right in a Maran Bay town, Jada Kingdom go drop this billboard. People, I don't know. Wanna tell me what you think of it still. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. And people, you see the song there, the bad song that what Chiki Granz say, want them in no come in no can't them in no the night. Yeah, just look out for the music video. The music video for that song soon drops, so look out for it. You get me? I say, it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? One way, any other way, the wrong way. I'm gone.
Want them in no come me no want can them in no the night right, but a man in my go. You shoulda listen when the lads say to you, you a cloud up into the mark you forgot.